Hello all of you. Today the Marketing Tool channel returns. Share with everyone about a software that supports the Twitter platform, also known as X platform. Helps us increase likes, as well as increase comments for any article, for example. This is my Twitter account. I want to specify to increase likes and comments for this post. Today I will introduce to everyone a MKTX tool. This is software installed on the computer. I will buy a license for 1 year or lifetime use. Its operating mechanism will use many of the Twitter accounts that we put into the software. Let it like and comment according to your specified content. If you want to increase likes and comments, go to the account interaction section. Then I went to the Twitter settings section. First, I will need to enter the link of the article I need to increase likes and comments. For example, let's choose this article. I copied the article link, paste into the software. I will install the requirements I want. Like and comment this, or add a hashtag if people need this. I just need to set up some basic parameters. I only need to install it once. Next time it will automatically remember these parameters after I finished installing. The next step is to choose the Twitter accounts that I have. For example, here I am selecting these accounts I have. After I have selected the article with the content I need, I click Start, then everyone can see the results. When I press Start, the software will start logging into my Twitter accounts. Go to the post you specify the like and comment on the content you have composed. Anyone can compose any content. The software will bring the exact content to comment. If you feel this software is suitable for your needs, then you can contact me directly through the information I put in the video. Thank you everyone for watching this entire video. Hello and see you again in the next videos.